We're back in the kitchen.
No, say it nicely.
Today we're making gingerbread houses.
We are making mini gingerbread houses and also some Christmas biscuits which we can sandwich together with ice cream to make ice cream sandwiches. So we're going to start with those. Cornflakes. Want to put them in the bowl?
Yeah.
Let's see if that's 50 grams. It's not. Put some more in here.
Okay.
100 grams of slivered almonds. All of them. Mix them together.
Okay, can I?
With your hands, yes. Are your hands clean? We hope so. Now we also want 100 grams of cherries chopped. And what's going to make them all stick together?
I don't know.
Condensed milk.
Woo! Oh, mustard.
You can spread out a bit, so not too much. So these are going to go into the oven for about 20 minutes until they're all crispy and stuck together.
And lemon.
Okay. Now we're going to do the gingerbread houses. This is going to make the walls. Whoa! Tennis biscuits for the walls. Palm ears, pig's ears for the roof. We have to first make the icing that's going to stick the walls together. Step number 1, we need 1 egg white, 200 grams of icing sugar. Okay, I'm making a paste with the icing sugar. Okay, it shouldn't look like this.
Ooh, yummy, Mommy. Isn't it yummy?
Whoa! Okay, that didn't work.
Look behind you. It went over.
Yeah. Snow on it.
I don't want to put.
I'm gonna do it. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I know you think this is hilarious. It's actually quite strong apart from that. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse. But we're having chocolate ice cream.
Give one to Daddy.